Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video I'll show you how to add a dual SIM or eSIM on your iPhone so you can use two different phone numbers on the same device. This is useful if you want to separate your personal and work numbers or use a second SIM while traveling. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Cellular. From here, scroll down and select Add eSIM. Now, you will have different options depending on how your mobile provider gives you the eSIM. If your eSIM is already active on another nearby iPhone, select Transfer from Nearby iPhone and follow the instructions on the screen. If your provider gives you a QR code, choose Use QR code. Now simply scan the QR code provided by your carrier. Your iPhone will automatically detect the eSIM information and start the setup process. Follow the steps on the screen. Wait for the activation to complete and then tap Finish. You can also add an eSIM manually if your provider gives you activation details. To do this, tap Enter Details manually at the bottom. Enter the required information provided by your carrier, then tap Next in the top right corner. Once completed, your new eSIM will be added to your iPhone.